just under $8 million, and I'm about to show you why this house is worth every single penny. 7,650 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, but the numbers aren't the story here. This is the one nobody sees coming. 2,500 square foot garage, arcade game, entertainment, movie theater. This garage has it all. But here's the kicker. This is a glass door. You sit here in the living room on the couch and your cars are right there on display, like art.
Glass catching little suns, go laughter steady ones. Wind like silver on your sleeve, nothing here we have to leave. Shades of colors bloom, lanterns hum around the room. Either side's gentle swing, this is my favorite thing. Lean it, let's keep it simple. All glow, no need for symbols. Touch the moment, let it lock.
This kitchen is built for people who actually cook.
It's golden hour on the rocks. Feeling good, no clocks. Raise it up to the light. We're alright tonight. Golden hour on the rocks. Easy heart unlocks. Sip the sun as it drops. We don't need a lot.
Primary bathroom, clean, simple, luxurious. But wait till you see the actual suite. Look at the size of the primary suite. Game over.
Steps draw lines across the day. Won't go line in every night.
Outdoor entertainment area, mini golf, an oversized pool, jacuzzi, fireplaces, bocce. This one has it all.
Thomas's in lowercase. No rush written on our face. Take this out. Cupid near. Perfectly.
Just under $8 million, and if you want to see it before it's gone, you know where to find me.